We are going to cook taro root. We'll take 2 pounds of taro root, and we will put it in the crock pot for about 4 hours. Now we have taken out the taro roots from the crock pot, and we'll peel off the skin. Now the skin of the taro root is removed. So we are taking these spices for the taro root recipe. This is common salt, little more than half tablespoon. This is carom seed, carom, carom seed, half tablespoon. This is turmeric powder, half tablespoon, and this is red chili powder, little less than half tablespoon. We will saute all the spices and the taro root here. We have taken 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and now we'll put all the spices in this one. First we'll saute the carom seeds. We are using medium heat for this process, and now we'll put all the rest of the spices and we will stir them. Now we'll put all the taro roots in this one, and we'll crush them. We will cover the pan with the lid for about 10 minutes, and we'll leave it for at the medium heat for 10 minutes. So we are crushing all the taro roots with the wooden spatula, and once they are done, we will cover it for some more time. We have crushed all the taro roots, and now we will cover it with the lid for a few more minutes. So we are turning some of these upside down so they get brown from all the sides. So once they are a little bit brown on all the sides, we'll stop the heat and they will be ready. For the taro root recipe, we will also sprinkle the dry mango powder, and this is garam masala, quarter tablespoon, and this is also a little less than quarter tablespoon. Sprinkling the dry mango powder and the garam masala on the taro root recipe, and then we will stir it a little bit, and they will be ready for eating. Our taro root is ready for eating, and we will eat it with this flat bread, Indian style flat bread, but you can eat it with any other bread available, and it is very tasty. Actually, this is my favorite, very favorite Indian dish, and I like it very much, and we call it Arbi in Hindi. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe it, and this will help us to continue this channel. Thank you.